Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up on Fastmail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your web browser and type fastmail.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on try for free button. Now fill up your name, choose your email address and your password, and click on start 30-day trial. Now you have officially created your Fastmail account. Send messages to your friends and family. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.